Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video on the new system called Email Cache Machine Review. This is a new system product from Glenn Klosky. He's one of the top internet marketers on ClickBank and WSO Warrior Plus Network. Now this system says 60 seconds trick turns my phone into $100 a day email cache machine. 5 minutes per day, no experience required, no hard work, instant payment. So he's saying that you're ready to make $100 every time it's an email. He's going to supply the email. He's going to supply the autoresponder. So basically, you're not required to bring any skills or experience to start making money with this. Now, I can't really confirm this product 100% because I'm not using it yet. It's not out on the market yet. But as I said before, Glenn Klosky is one of the top internet marketers, and he puts out quality courses. This is only, I believe it's $17, and when you go a click away from the page, it drops down to $14. He's giving you a 80 day money back guarantee on this. So that's pretty good. So you can check it out. Click the link below. Probably by the time you see this video, or if you see it on the day that it's released, it will be a demo below this video. So check out the demo, because this is the easy way to make $100 by sending an email without your own autoresponder, without your own email list. This is a great offer based on what it's saying on the page. So it's worth the price. Is it worth the price of a pizza in terms of making $100 a day or $100 an hour? You know, there's no doubt that it's worth the price of, more than worth the price of a pizza. So check it out. Click the link below. As I said, click the link below, because by the time you watch this video, it will be a demo showing you exactly how this works. Okay, it's Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below to check it out, because there's always new things coming up that's going to make money, particularly when it's dealing with AI. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see everybody in the next video.